While it would be great if you could toss all your clothes in the dryer, those hoping to maintain the shape and quality of their favorite pieces know that some clothing requires a bit more care. The Best Clothes drying racks will keep your valued garments in mint condition, whether you have an extensive collection of sweaters or just want to treat your undergarments with extra care. Not all clothes drying racks are created equal, so we sorted through a wide array of options to narrow it down to only the best. Number 1. Jauree Clothes Drying Rack. At 95 inches wide and 51 inches high, the Jauree Clothes Drying Rack is ideal for quickly drying a wide range of clothing including sheet sets, long dresses, large towels, and rugs. Made out of thick, rust-resistant, stainless steel, it has a weight capacity of 200 pounds, making it an excellent drying rack option for families. The rack consists of 3 drying rods, 2 on top and 1 at the bottom, and is designed to be used indoors and outdoors. It also comes with anti-slip rubber feet on the bottom to prevent it from slipping. The rack comes with 20 plastic hooks for hangers, but you can also hang clothing directly on the rack if you want to smooth out wrinkles from the wash. The amazing part is, even though the drying rack is huge, you can easily take it down and tuck it away when it's not in use. In addition to its 95-inch size, the Jauree is available in 63 and 79-inch sizes. The only problem is that it's going to be heavy after putting clothes on it, so you might need someone to help you move it around. Number 2. Homidec Clothes Drying Rack. If you're looking for a compact option, the Homidec Clothes Drying Rack is not for you. If you need a foldable rack to hang your clothes which offers ample space to spread them out, on the other hand, this oversized option is worth considering. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, the rack can be used for indoor and outdoor use. It features 4 tiers, each measuring 67 by 19 by 30 inches, plus 2 added sections on either side to hold more clothes, towels, shoes, or blankets. In total, you can hang up to 62 articles of clothing, making it an ideal drying rack for families. It's mounted on 4 plastic caster wheels, so you can easily move it around your home and comes with brakes that you can lock to keep it in place. It is pretty big, so expect it to take longer than usual to set up. However, the instructions are clear and easy for anyone to follow, as long as they have patience and some time. Number 3. Annalkin Foldable Clip Hangers. Delicates tend to last longer when hung up to dry, which is why we love this drying rack from Annalkin. It is an ideal choice to air dry small items like bras, ties, hats, undies, and socks, and it's compact enough to fit in your closet, room corner, or shower curtain rod. When you're done using it, the rack folds in half for easy storage. You can hang up to 26 pieces of clothing, allowing you to dry all your laundry in one go. The rack features a rotating swivel neck and evenly spaced elastic spring clip hangers for maximum airflow. Each clip also fully rotates to dry your laundry from all angles. The racks come in 2 colors, blue and white, but the blue rack is a bigger size and more expensive than the white version. Number 4. InstaHanger Collapsible Clothes Storage and Drying Rack. Perfect for small laundry rooms or closets, the InstaHanger can be conveniently mounted on a wall or door. It can be hung on any type of wall and is multi-purpose. It can be used for air drying and storing clothes. It folds down to just 2 inches, which is so thin that you'll barely notice it tacked on your wall. The rack is constructed from plastic and comes with a 12-inch metal rod for hanging around 12 shirts or 20 to 30 empty hangers. It has a maximum weight capacity of 60 pounds. Although the hanger itself is already assembled, you have to take the extra step to mount it with the included screws and brackets. You'll find detailed instructions on how to set it up on masonry, wood, and drywall. Because it can only hold limited clothing pieces, you might have to buy a second one if you need more space for your wardrobe. Luckily, InstaHanger sells 2 versions, single and double pack wall-mounted models, and a single over-the-door bracket if you need extras. Number 5. Step Up Wall-Mounted Clothes Drying Rack. This drying rack can fold neatly into metal mounts under 6 inches wide for a low-profile look, while simultaneously providing up to 20 feet of linear hanging line and holding up to 60 pounds of weight. The pre-drilled holes and included hardware make these racks easy to mount, whether you place them in your laundry room, walk-in closet, or patio. The stainless steel is safe to mount outdoors without worrying about rust or wear over time, so you can even hang these drying racks next to an outdoor pool. They're perfect for drying very heavy items like beach towels. Number 6. Amazon Basics Folding Laundry Rack for Air Drying Clothing. This indoor clothing rack from Amazon features a compact, collapsible design that folds flat and won't take up a lot of space in your laundry room. Crafted from rust-proof steel, it weighs only 4 pounds and is easy to carry. It even comes pre-assembled, so you can use it right out of the box. Measuring 24 by 30 inches, the laundry rack is spacious and supports up to 32 pounds of clothing, including towels, shirts, pants, socks, and underwear. However, draping large rugs or comforters is a no-no, as it's not as big as some larger racks on our list. Overall, its affordable price tag and sleek, accordion style make it an easy choice for people looking for a basic drying rack. It is available in 2 colors, white and a chrome and black combo. Number 7. Honey Can-Do Leaning Steel Clothes Drying Rack. Small and sturdy, the Honey Can-Do Leaning Drying Rack comes with rubber grips on the top and bottom that stick it firmly to the wall and prevent it from slipping down to the floor. The rack consists of 10 bars and provides 10 feet of drying space. It also can double as an extra towel rack that you can use in your bathroom. Unlike wall-mounted drying racks, this Honey Can-Do option is portable and can be easily folded up or moved to another room if necessary. While practical for select items, it has a small 20-pound weight capacity, which may not be worth getting if you have a large load or want a drying rack for sheets and blankets. Also, be mindful that it is not pre-assembled, so you'll have to have a screwdriver ready to put it together yourself. It's the best drying rack for protecting perfect pairs of blue jeans, delicate lingerie or vintage pieces from wear and tear of a dryer cycle, all while saving on energy costs. When you're not using it, this portable drying rack neatly folds down to 3 flat for easy storage inside your laundry room, bedroom, or at your mom's house. Number 8. Snomel Collapsible Hanging Clothes Drying Rack. This drying rack is an absolute must-have for small spaces. It includes 2 racks, both of which come equipped with handy hangers that you can adjust to fit over door frames or around shower curtain rods. One of the racks features 2 tiers, while the other has 3. The breathable mesh tiers measure 24 by 30 inches and can accommodate everything from sweaters to undergarments. These racks also conveniently fold up when they're not in use. You can compress them flat and twist the support wires to fit into the included round storage bags. If you need to bring them along to travel, this feature certainly comes in handy. Questions you might ask. How long does it take for clothes to air dry on a drying rack? Reichert says the exact amount of time it takes for your clothing to dry can depend on a few factors, including humidity, fabric weight, and airflow in the area. That said, the general guidance is to allow undergarments to dry overnight and to allot about 2 full days for heavier sweaters. Can using a drying rack stretch out clothes? If used improperly, drying racks can stretch out your clothing. Traditional accordion-style drying racks have the potential to stretch clothes, especially when heavier or bulkier items like sweaters are not evenly spread out, Lawrence says. She recommends distributing the weight of clothing evenly across the rack to avoid stretching.